Welcome back. Dr. Travis Gratton from University Veterinary Care Center is joining us live for today's pet advice. Good morning, Dr. Gratton.
Good morning.
All right, we're talking about pet insurance. Is it worth the cost?
Yeah, it certainly is one of those things that for a lot of people, definitely can help the budget. Because if you have a pet, at some point it's probably going to get sick, and it certainly could be a major expense as far as diagnostics and treatment goes. And if you're not really able, capable, prepared for that, insurance can be a nice little, saver of sudden grief. So.
Oh, absolutely. We'll talk about what it covers and what it doesn't cover.
Well, very similar to human insurance. You get a lot of the kind of the similar types of plans. You can get major medical, where it is just kind of the catastrophic coverage stuff. Big diseases, accidents, trauma, those kinds of things that cover it. There certainly are co-pays and deductibles associated with some plans, and they're really kind of all over the board. Other plans will cover pretty much the entire wellness packages, vaccinations, heartworm treatment, those types of things, anything medical related. Some plans include annual dental care for pets as well, so they're really across the board.
Well, are there certain things we need to keep in mind if we're looking into getting pet insurance?
We definitely want to compare. Currently there's 23 or 25 companies that offer insurance plans for pets in every state in the country, so it's really grown over the last 30 years or so. There are differences in coverages and co-pays and deductibles, so you really do need to kind of narrow it down a little bit and then look at the individual policy plans from those companies.
Now, does it cover all types of pets? Are we talking about dogs and cats? Or is there a policy for everyone?
Yeah, certainly dogs are by far the largest ones covered, probably 80 to 90% of pets in this country. And across the board, only about 10% of animals are covered by insurance in this country, whereas in parts of Europe it's 25% of animals. Cats certainly are qualified and covered in almost every plan, and you can get policies from some companies that cover birds and other exotic pets as well. So what you want is probably out there in the market.
Probably out there. Well, are you seeing more people coming into your practice with pet insurance?
It's steadily grown over the last 15 years or so. It's been pretty noticeable even here in the Midwest. It was huge on the West Coast and then kind of the East Coast, and now it is becoming more and more, and it's been driven largely by technology. And as pets have moved more and more into our homes and hearts and become a bigger part of the family, suddenly it's this technology, on diagnostics and treatment therapies has gone up and up and up. Yeah. Then insurance has become a viable option for more and more people, and a monthly payment sometimes is better than a large chunk coming out all at once.
Yeah, well, and just like for humans as well, those costs are going to keep rising.
They will, unfortunately.
They will. Well, Dr. Gratton, thank you for being with us today. And if you'd like more information about University Veterinary Care Center, just head over to universityvetcare.com.